now that you understand HTML attributes, you are ready to add images on your page like what I have here. Because HTML attribute was the missing part on an element like the image tag. An image tag without attributes cannot do anything. Hey, welcome. My name is Shem Ogweno, and this is video number 8 in our HTML series for absolute beginners. In this video, you will add images and videos on your document. Let's see what we need for an image tag to work. We need a source. So this is the location of your image. Your image can be on your desktop, or your image can be on somebody's server. So that specific location, it's a source. And then we need an alt, a description of your image. So you can take the alt like your image in words. So tell me your image using words. So let's switch to CodePen and practice adding images. Remember, when you are on CodePen, you are inside a body tag. So yours is just to add your content here. If this feels confusing to you and you need a refresher, I will link a video up here for you to learn about HTML structure. Let me share with you resources to find placeholders images. For that, let me know if you're getting value from this video by giving it a thumbs up. Okay, let's find images. The first one is Lauren Pixum. So just copy this link and use it as your source. So you can play with the width and height and get your desired image. Okay. The next one is unsplash.com. You have categories of options to choose from. Also, when your mouse is on top of an image, you see a description of that image, and that one you can use it on the alt, and you can teach yourself how to describe an image using these examples. To use this image, I right click and copy its address, then I'll paste it inside the quotation mark of my src. If the image is big like this one, then I add a width and a height. And it is a good practice to add an alt text. And for this one was a couple of giraffes standing on top of a lush green field. So I found this description when my mouse was moving over an image and there was a text appearing. And let me show you how to do something like that. You will use an attribute called title. Then inside the quotation mark, you add your text. So when you save it and your mouse goes over an image, the text appears. Let me also show you how to add a video on your page. So if this is your video, click share, then click embed, then the code is already written for you. So you just need to copy, paste it on your page. And there we go. It's now your turn. Practice adding images and alt text. Also, practice adding width and height. Then combine all the skills you have gained so far to create something like what I have here. Then in the next video, we will look at empty elements. Thanks for watching and get time to code. I'll see you there.